Hey guys, welcome. So if you're on this screen and you're here to watch this video, you're at the perfect place to understand more about the new AP Biology hybrid testing that is coming out for the first ever May 2025 exam. So these new changes are what we're going to be talking about so you can guide your students or yourself as a student to help alleviate the process. And just as a disclaimer, AP Biology is a registered trademark of College Board and is not affiliated with any of the information or hyperlinks provided for the Geeking Out on STEM service. So, when we talk about the AP Biology exam, it is now a digital exam that is primarily administered on Blue Book app. And there are coordinators and proctors that are going to help you on test day, but we're going to review how the test is going to be formatted. There is paper exams available, and those are only for students that are approved for paper exams. So if you have some sort of reasoning as to why, you can go to the College Board website and find out more information about that. Now, let's talk about the hybrid testing in general. The point of the hybrid testing is to make sure that we can transition over to electronic testing to alleviate past cheating or alleviate the paper that is given on the exam. So for the digital AP biology exam, it's considered hybrid because you not only have a digital part, but you have a handwritten part as well. So they're going to use, as stated before, Blue Book as the main application. And there is two parts, just like before, the multiple choice section and the free response section. There's no changes in the format in terms of how many multiple choice questions you're getting and how many free response questions you're getting or the types of questions. It's the same. It's just the way the test is administered. So for the multiple choice portion, the first part, that is going to be 60 questions just like before, multiple choice, but that is completed digitally through Blue Book. And what's happening with the free response questions is you can view the question on Blue Book, and those are 6 free response questions, and you're going to answer them with paper and pencil through a paper booklet. So that's what they mean by hybrid. Now, you as a student are able to utilize Mac, Windows, iPads, or school managed Chromebooks. If you need a device as a loaner because you don't have the device compatible for yourself as a student, you can go ahead and contact College Board and they can provide you with a loaner device that is supported with Wi-Fi. Now, in terms of internet, what you need is connectivity. So you're needing that throughout the duration of the exam, and that is the ability to download and understand Blue Book. It needs that connectivity on Wi-Fi. And you have this window, it's called a submission window. That submission window exists in case there's some sort of internet issue. So, for example, say you're in school and you're taking the test, say there is some sort of mass internet shutdown with something like a inclement weather related situation. Then what ends up happening is that you'll have up to 4 days to submit responses if internet issues arise. So just keep that in mind, just to alleviate any anxiety that you might have. Also, just like before for previous exams, for AP Biology, if you need extended time or other accommodations, you can contact College Board to see if you're eligible for those accommodations available. Just so you know, for the exam, the digital tools right now, we're being told there's highlighting, annotating, marking questions, eliminating answer choices. This is subject to change. This was only recently released, so I want to put that out there that that might change further on, but this is the information that we have now based on the fact they've released previous exams, and we believe the format is very similar. The reference materials are the same. You'll have the equation sheet that you can populate electronically that is provided through AP Biology website. So if you want to check their website out for that equation sheet, you can. And there's the Java quick reference in Blue Book. So in case you have any troubleshooting issues, that's available in Blue Book as well. Now, for calculator policy, that remains unchanged. There is no calculator that is electronic, meaning unlike the digital SAT that was released, where you can use Desmos and a calculator, a physical calculator, that won't be the case. What ends up happening for AP Biology is you have to bring a physical calculator that is for functions, scientific or graphing calculator that is allowed. So essentially, on testing day, you should be bringing two electronic main devices, your computer with your battery charger, and also your graphing calculator with backup batteries. That would be the safety precaution for electronic devices. In summary, the exam structure, the number of sections, so having MCQs, so multiple choice questions, and free response questions remains the same. It's just the format of the way you take the question, meaning the multiple choice questions will be electronic, and the free response questions you can view electronically, but you will submit with paper and pencil. And the timing remains unchanged as well. So it is 3 hours split evenly, 1 hour, 30 minutes for the multiple choice questions and 1 hour, 30 minutes for the free response questions. Nothing has changed with that. Nothing has changed with the composition of the exam, meaning that you have the same units as before and the same percentages as before in previous year. So in the previous last exam. So nothing has changed with that. The only thing is the electronic device that you have to utilize to take the exam and how you view it. I hope this helps. If you like the videos like this, please make sure to subscribe. It helps us a lot to make sure that we provide you with the most up-to-date information leading up to the exam day.
Hey, Geeking Out on STEM family, guess what? We want you to hit that subscribe button. Why? Because we'll be producing more content just like this for the AP Biology exam and the new digital SAT exam. By subscribing, you'll be getting exclusive up-to-date tips, tricks, and secrets for both exams. Also, if you're a parent, a teacher, a homeschool instructor, or a student, you might be looking for affordable and exclusive digital products to help improve multiple choice questions, free response questions, or question bank questions related to both the digital SAT or AP Biology exam. We have them here. Make sure to check out our link tree in our bio for curated resources that you won't find anywhere else. These unique resources are designed to help you raise your score. By hitting the subscribe button, the more subscribers we get, by the way, the more videos we can make. So make sure to join our family to ensure that you get a perfect score for both exams. We can't wait to help you succeed.